So here's how we're gonna draw Shawn on a motorcycle. He's more prepared this time than in the last book and has somehow acquired a motorcycle. So we're gonna start with his eye, which is a perfect circle. Look how perfect that is. Wow. And a pupil. And then his head is the shape of a bean again. Kind of a fat bean. We're gonna draw his hair and his little mouth. And then now we're gonna draw a helmet. And it goes over his ears and under his chin. So I'm gonna draw his helmet purple. What color are you gonna draw it? And then we're gonna draw his body. That is basically a big cloud. We're gonna leave a little bit of space for his leg, which is again shaped almost like a heart. And then we're going to draw his tail. His arms are going to be stretched out in front of him as he's riding the motorcycle. Now we're going to draw the seat, which is basically the shape of a sock. And we're going to start drawing the details of the motorcycle. Like a wheel. And there you go. He can kind of move now. He would fall, so he needs a second wheel. We're going to add some details. The wheel protector thingy. And another wheel protecting thingy. And now we're going to add the details of the bike. We're going to make this as cool, as abstract as we can. I'm going to add a light so you can see night. And I'm going to add some details here, like some circles and some lines. And this will show the inner workings of the motorcycle. But your motorcycle could be powered by anything. Mine is powered by the sun and by chicken feed. We're going to add some lines here to show how fast Shawn is going. And of course, we have to draw some grass as well. And there we go, Shawn on a bike.